Hi, welcome to Alpha Digital Recommends YouTube channel. We are here with another digital video. We make daily top 5 best products videos for you. So if you did not subscribe our channel yet, go down below and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you cannot miss any important video. If you are looking for a best full frame camera, you are at the right place. In this video we ranked top 5 full frame cameras from better to best. We also gave purchasing links in the description of this video. So let's get into it. Number 5. Nikon D5.
The D5 is Nikon's latest professional-grade camera. It's designed for the ultimate in speed and accuracy, which is essential in a camera intended for busy professional photographers. The D5 boasts an impressive 153-point autofocus system, 99 of which are cross-type. The autofocus points are linked to a 180,000 pixel metering sensor, which provides class-leading subject tracking. With the D5, you can shoot at 12 frames per second, so you can follow and capture the action easily. The speed increases to 14 frames per second with the mirror locked up. The other features we love about the D5 include its 20 megapixel full-frame sensor, the touchscreen, and the addition of an automated autofocus fine-tune system for calibrating lenses. The D5 can shoot 4K video, but it has a 1.5 times crop factor. It doesn't offer focus peaking to aid manual focus. The combination of unprecedented autofocus coverage and tracking, class-leading low-light performance, and new features make the D5 an industry-leading DSLR, especially for those professionals shooting fast-action sports.
Number 4. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV.
Here's what you need to know to get started with the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. In the box, you'll find the camera, a battery, charger, strap, a software disk, a cable protector, a USB cable, iCup, and a hefty user manual. We'll walk you through setup and recommend some accessories that will help you get the most out of this camera. Once you've done the basics to get your camera ready to go, let's dive in. If your camera didn't come with a lens, the 24 to 105mm f4 zoom is a good one. It covers a useful focal length range for everyday photography. If you want the best possible results, Canon's 24 to 70mm f2.8 is more expensive, but it delivers superb images. We recommend buying extra batteries for your camera. Next, let's get image quality settings dialed in. The 5D Mark IV offers a significant bump in resolution compared to the Mark III. To make the most of those extra pixels, we recommend shooting in RAW mode. Shooting in live view is a great way to take advantage of Canon's dual pixel autofocus system, especially if you're shooting portraits at wide apertures where focus can be difficult. The 5D Mark IV is also Canon's first full-frame camera that offers continuous autofocus for shooting stills in live view mode. Face detection is impressive, and you can use the joystick to easily switch between faces in live view, or tap on a face to set focus. Setting focus in any mode is easy using the rear touchscreen, and the 5D Mark IV can even track moving subjects during video recording. And since it shoots 4K, you can extract still images from 4K video using a simple on-screen interface.
Number 3. Sony Alpha A7III.
And we're here in Las Vegas today to witness Sony's launch of the A7 Mark III. The A7 Mark III is being billed as Sony's basic model, but they're also saying that it raises expectations generally. This basic model, which will be priced at about $2,000 USD, offers a lot of the features that the really high-end A9 offers, which is at a much higher price point. This has got a 24 megapixel backside illuminated sensor. It's not the stacked sensor in the A9, but it still has a lot of the capabilities of the A9. It doesn't have 20 frames per second shooting. It maxes out at 10 FPS, but it does offer silent shooting at that frame rate. That 10 FPS shooting rate is also available with a mechanical shutter, which is actually better than the A9 and like the A7R Mark III. A lot of the features have been updated. IAF is actually just as good, as we can tell, as the A7R Mark III. It's just very sticky to the subject that you've chosen. The video mode in 4K is actually oversampled from 6K footage, and the 30p 4K mode is oversampled from 5K footage with a 1.2x crop factor. Now, what's great about this model is you actually get that oversampled 6K to 4K footage with log modes, which is actually not available on the A9. This is a camera that should offer a lot of the incredible features that the A9 offers, but at the price point that makes it much more affordable for wedding event photographers, casual owners who want to step up to full frame quality, but don't need quite all the features that the A9 offers, yet still get some of the amazing features that this very capable model should get you.
Number 2. Nikon Z7. Number 1. Sony A9.
The Sony A9 is the company's newest high-end mirrorless camera aimed at sports and professional photographers. The A9 comes with an all-new 24-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor and an impressive 693-point hybrid autofocus system. The AF points can be easily positioned using the AF joystick on the back of the camera, as well as by directly placing your finger on the tilting touchscreen. This is by far the fastest camera Sony's ever produced, capable of shooting at up to 20 frames per second even in RAW mode. That speed is made possible by way of a completely silent electronic shutter. You can also enter playback to check your images at any time, even after long bursts. The Sony A9 is also capable of shooting incredibly detailed 4K video, which it does using the full width of the sensor. It also shoots slow-motion full HD video using Sony's Slow and Quick feature. To speed up handling, the Sony A9 comes with new dedicated controls for drive and autofocus modes, and a larger capacity battery than previous A7 series cameras ensures you can capture thousands of burst images per charge. Despite its dust and weather-sealed construction, the Sony A9 remains a fairly compact camera. In all, the Sony A9 is an impressively powerful camera, well suited for everything from sports and action to documentary photography.